Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to scan QR code from image or screenshot. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my mobile. Now I'll go to gallery and over here you can see here is QR code picture. First of all, I'll open this Google app and now you can see I'm here in my Google app. Over here you can see here's mic and small camera over here. Now I'll tap on this small camera. Now I'll select this QR code and now you can see it's looking for results and you can see I have successfully scanned this QR code. Now if I tap on this website, I'll be redirected to the site of that QR code. This is the QR code of our channel TrendTechGuides. So in this way we can scan QR code from image or screenshot. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.